Attention, local businesses. Unlock the true potential of your online presence by registering your unclaimed Google business profile with our agency today. Did you know that an unclaimed profile can negatively impact your online visibility and customer trust? Don't miss out on countless opportunities. Act urgently and experience the benefits. 1. Increased visibility. Be found in local search results. 2. Trust and credibility. Build customer trust with a verified profile. 3. Accurate information. Update your business details for clarity. 4. Get reviews and ratings. Boost your reputation and attract new clients. And 5. Stand out. Differentiate yourself from competitors with an optimized profile. Don't let your competition steal the spotlight. Take control of your online presence now. Contact us at Yazoogle to get started. Time is of the essence. Claim your rightful place in the online marketplace and watch your business thrive.